Yeah, Maya, can I get a fucking pumpkin spice margarita? No, Becky, that! CraftTender's getting spooky for Halloween. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the CraftTender. My name's Jeremiah, and on today's episode, we're adding another page to the Necronomicon with a CraftTender original from the cult classic film Evil Dead, the Deadite. I really wanted to make something menacing, something deceiving, that looked worse than it tasted, something truly evil. Dark as the mudwaters of Morristown, Tennessee, but as sweet as your pillowcase on November 1st. Something that paid homage to the Evil Dead series and resonated with cocktail nerds and horror fans alike. So grab your chainsaw and boomstick, let's rip this trapdoor open and get right into the cocktail. Groovy. All right, guys, so we're gonna start the cocktail off with exactly 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. Next, we're gonna follow that up with 1 ounce of lemon juice. Remember, fresh squeezed lemon juice. Aquafaba, we're gonna go about 1.25 ounces here, and this is basically a vegan substitute for egg whites. CREME de Mure, a raspberry flavored liqueur for Halloween. We're gonna go 1 full ounce. Oh, green spot, baby? Let's get a shot. Shoot first, think never.
Still working on the slogan.
I'm getting right about 1.5 ounces of green spot. Next is my favorite ingredient, 1/2 bar spoon of activated charcoal, which has health benefits that include detoxification, digestive health, even helps gas, bloating, and anti-aging. And that's not too bad, considering that this is what you're gonna look like if you keep drinking cheap dog for 30 years straight. And remember, guys, be sure to get a good solid seal on the tin, because if you don't, you're gonna get aquafaba and activated charcoal everywhere. Groovy. Next, we're gonna dry shake, 30 seconds. After the dry shake, add a few large ice cubes, and we're gonna shake one more time, another 30 seconds. Lastly, we're gonna fine strain the cocktail and garnish with a citrus peel powder, which is basically just dehydrated citrus peels that have been ground. And there you have it. So there's another one for the undead books, guys, and to learn how to make cocktails just like these that don't suck, make sure to subscribe and like below. But more importantly, happy Halloween. I'll see all you haunted hangovers in November. Cheers.